Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the platform and permissions so you avoid immediate roadblocks. Once done, install the necessary libraries and set up a disposable test account to isolate risk. Make sure logging and backups are enabled so you can track behavior and revert changes. Now clone the starter repository or template, open it in your editor, and run the initial build step. This establishes a working baseline before you customize or connect to live services. You next configure authentication and the bot's runtime controls so it behaves predictably. First, wire up API keys and token refresh, then build the event loop and state machine that manage actions and cooldowns. Make sure rate limits and backoff are implemented to prevent bans. Once the core logic responds correctly in the test environment, add sandboxed modules and input validation to protect accounts and data. Run iterative tests and inspect logs to confirm expected flows and edge case handling. You deploy only after tests pass. Use a controlled host with monitoring and version releases so you can roll back quickly. Once live, run staged tests with limited scope and observe metrics like response time, error rates, and unexpected actions. If anomalies appear, check logs for auth failures, rate limit responses, or unhandled exceptions, and disable the bot if needed. Finally, iterate configuration based on evidence, tighten safety checks, and schedule periodic reviews to keep the bot stable and compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.